Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we will be doing some liquid aquarium nails, whatever you want to call them, and I'm gonna be doing them like as a Valentine's nail set. I already sized out my full cover nail tip, and now I'm just gonna put them on my natural nail. Since I'm wearing nail extensions, I'm kind of like guessing where my natural nail ends, and I'm just like marking it just to know where I have to stop doing the tank basically. Next, I got the paper from my nail form, and I'm just applying some rhinestone glue on top of it, and I'm just making it big enough so I can fit all 5 nail tips on them. And then I'm just gonna take some top coat and go over this, and you want to make sure like that there's no gaps in between, because otherwise your nail will leak. So but yeah, once you did that, you're gonna put on your full cover nail tips, and make sure you're not putting like the whole full cover tips on there. As you can see, I'm leaving like this little gap where I marked the ending of my natural nail, so that's why it's there for. And then I'm just gonna cure this for 60 seconds in my nail lamp after it's been cured, and then I'm just gonna cut off the excess. I'm trying to not cut too much, but enough not to have to file too much either, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now to all of the nails. Next, I'm going in with the 6-in-1 nail glue. And the reason why I'm doing this is because it gives like a little bit more strength to the back of the nail, because like the rhinestone glue and the top coat is not enough. I noticed that it just like sometimes breaks. So this is just adding a little bit strength. Alright, next we're gonna encapsulate the bottom basically. I'm just gonna put a dot of rhinestone glue there and like spread it out with my nail brush liner to create like this barrier that the baby oil cannot leak through basically. Alright, I got all the tanks ready, and now I'm gonna start filling them up. I want this nail set to be pretty pink, so I picked out a few pink glitters. I'm not sure which one I want to use exactly, but I do have a few options. I think I'm leaning more towards this and maybe this or that as well. Not sure. I'm gonna put some I don't even know what you call these. They look like little rhinestones. Glitter. And then those hearts. Yeah, I'm gonna start by putting some baby oil into the tank. And I finally got the bottle with like this syringe kind of application, so like a thin one. I'm so happy because it was a mess before. And I think I want to use like those hearts. Just gonna pick up a few with my tweezers and just put them in there.
now I'm gonna be putting in some of this glitter. And I also want to add like these rhinestone glitter things, whatever you call them. I think that's enough what I put in. It might be too much. Now I'm just gonna fill up the rest with some baby oil. Okay, and I'm just gonna test if the bubble floats. Yeah, it's floating. I like. Now I'm just gonna take a lint-free wipe and wipe off the top because we're gonna have to encapsulate this basically. And I'm using my rhinestone glue again. I'm just gonna put a dot down right here and flash cure it. Right, and now I'm just gonna be continuing doing it to the rest of the nails. I'm gonna put some baby oil in so the glitter doesn't stuck to the bottom. And this time I'm gonna be using this glitter. Alright, I got everything done. Now let's start reshaping them and take the shine away. Alright, as you can see, the nail leaked, so I'm just gonna fix it real quick, and I'm just gonna apply some more rhinestone glue on top. Okay, and I will be curing while that nail is curing, let's move on to the next one. Alright, here are all the nails after they've been shaped, filed, and buffed. I did have to fix a few because I kept like filing too much and they would like leak, so I do have like this uneven layers because of that, but that's okay. I'm gonna be painting the nail art now. I want to do like these little Valentine's candy. I don't know what they call, but it's the heart with the writing in it. And I'm gonna start off with this purple. Okay, I like the heart and I will be curing now. Alright, and with a darker purple, I'm gonna be outlining the heart. Alright, and I will be curing this. Alright, I like. That's way harder than I thought it would be, writing little letters like that. Now I'm gonna apply this teddy bear and I'm gonna use my rhinestone glue to glue it on. And then I'm gonna go over with some top coat. Alright, and I will be curing. Now I'm gonna apply top coat to the rest of the nails as well. And here are the finished nails. I love how these turned out. These are so cute. Please ignore how I put them on. I didn't feel like gluing them on because I'm not gonna be wearing them. So I put just like a sticky tape down there. But yeah, I had so much fun doing these. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.